Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most exciting and revolutionary technologies of our time, blockchain. Blockchain has been making waves in the world of finance and beyond, but what exactly is a blockchain network? Let's find out. At its simplest, a blockchain is a digital ledger of transactions that is stored across a network of computers. Each transaction is added to the ledger in a block, and once a block is added, it cannot be altered or deleted without altering the entire chain of blocks. This makes the system extremely secure and resistant to tampering. Blockchain networks are typically decentralized, meaning there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, the network is maintained and secured by a community of users who all have access to the same ledger of transactions. One of the most well-known examples of blockchain technology is the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. The Bitcoin blockchain is maintained by a network of users who all have a copy of the same ledger of transactions. Each transaction is verified by multiple users, and once it is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered. Beyond finance, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries by providing secure and transparent digital record keeping. From healthcare to supply chain management, blockchain networks are being explored as a way to streamline processes and increase efficiency. In conclusion, a blockchain network is a digital ledger of transactions that is stored across a network of computers. The system is highly secure and resistant to tampering, and is maintained and secured by a community of users. With its potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, blockchain is one of the most exciting technologies of our time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.